Hello, Paul Bina. This is Paul Cundiff, Woody's Restorations. So I measured a credit card, and you thought you might be a credit card thickness or a credit card and a half. And so I measured a credit card, it was 33 thousandths, 34 thousandths. So I made one of these sticks at 28 thousandths thick, another one at 45 thousandths thick, which would be about a credit card and a half. And then about two credit cards would be 60 thousandths thick. And then I just went ahead while I was making, I made basically 20 thousandths difference between each one. And then what we have here is we have West System hardener and West System resin. So this is the correct proportion to make a batch. And this batch will be probably 2 or 3 times what you'll need. And then this is the filler. So this is gonna be too thin to go in and stay in when you put these in place. More than likely, unless there's one of these that's a really tight fit, this is gonna make you a product that's too thin to stay in place and to actually fill all the gaps and not run out and leave gaps. So this is epoxy filler, and what you can do is add this sparingly to your batch until you get somewhere close to peanut butter consistency, and then slather this one, whichever one of these you're using, slather it up both sides and the edge with this material. Be sure to wear gloves, and then shove this, you'll already have cut it to length, of course, because I'm sure it's way too long, and then shove this into the gap you're trying to fill, and you might even do a combination of a couple of these. So anyhow, and just shove them in there, and then then just go home and let the stuff cure overnight, and then when you go back the next day, you should be able to sand everything fair and paint it, and you'll be ready to go. All right, man. Talk to you soon.